is still happening. State testing starts on May 8th next month for a week. The first 2 hours of each day will be testing time. Here are some reminders before that gets underway. Don't forget to eat well, sleep well, be on time, and bring wired headphones! Not AirPods, but wired headphones.
Beatrix Brument, Byron Guzman Lopez, Bailey Miles, Annalise Estes, Nam Vu, Shuvam Sabeti, Kalea Kapua, Juno Herbert, Truman Abe, Joey Weiner, Reed Umcrop, Jeffrey Velasquez Herrera, Damian Pond, Joey Simpson, Jackson Christian, Kim Krashensky, Brooklyn Scholes, Jen Sante Cruz, Maya Diaz Verdon, Lily Rowe, Juan Espino Ochoa, Iwan S. Mashtu, Sydney Chadwick, Mason Powell, Harper Hess, Devin Cloudus, Xander Perkins, Alex Rentira Soto, Caleb DeRose.
May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and May 10th through the 16th. Ms. Schroeder will be offering different ways to engage and learn more about mental health during lunch. Make sure you stop by and check in with her to chat and learn more.
How is school doing for you?
Fine, I guess.
Great.
Pretty good. Just a typical day mostly. Have you made any friends this year?
No.
Well, yes.
Probably about a few months ago.
No. I don't really like making friends in New Year.
Like 2. There's not very many.
What is your favorite class?
Theater, drama with Mr. Foreign.
Band.
Even though I'm not a part of that class, definitely art.
Usually the easy class, PE, math, and learning strategies.
Yeah, technology class.
Band.
What's your favorite teacher or staff member?
Maggie, the dog.
Mr. Malay.
Miss Schrader, definitely.
Mr. Erickson. He's a chill, cool dude.
I usually don't pick favorites. I just like whoever happens to be in my life so far.
I like Mr. McNeil.
Band.
Hey! There might be a Spirit Week heading our way, May 1st to May 5th. With some fun and new themed days, keep your eyes open for posters around school and on the Five Oaks Instagram next week for more.
No, are you having a hard time?
Yeah.
Would you like to take a break?
Yeah, that'd be great.
How about going to the wellness room?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here's a pass. Come back when you're ready.
Thank you. School Lunch Share Day is an opportunity to recognize the work nutrition professionals do each day to make a difference in children's lives. Nutrition Services will be celebrating the amazing work of our staff, and we encourage you to let the hardworking cafeteria team know that they're appreciated.
Hi, I'm here with.
Miss Flash.
What class do you teach?
I teach 7th grade science. I chose to be a teacher because I get to hang out with cool middle schoolers all day instead of boring adults. Because science is obviously the best, we get to do cool experiments. I like my students and my subject. Because I taught high school once and it was not as much fun. Salted caramel. Green. My favorite experiment that I ruined. I did an experiment once on why coral are disintegrating, and the opposite of what was supposed to happen happened. Humor is making silly dad jokes and lots of good puns. Ooh, I've got a lot of memes, so that's a hard question. I'm gonna go with the one that's relevant to what I'm doing right now, which is
Play tectonics.
2 plates bump into each other and say, not my fault.
Beep, beep, attention, last day's clubs is May 11th. Make sure to stop coming or you will be sleeping at school. Go, you got it, go! Soccer club tournaments are April 27th at Highland Park and May 11th at Whitford. There will be a food truck at Whitford, so take advantage and come on and cheer on the Five Oaks team at school till 7.